We all have them, those favorite foods that make our mouths water and our hearts sing. Whether it's a perfectly grilled cheese sandwich, a steaming bowl of ramen, or a decadent slice of chocolate cake, certain dishes hold a special place in our culinary affections. But have you ever stopped to wonder why we develop such strong attachments to particular foods? What is it about the aroma of freshly baked bread or the first bite of a juicy mango that sends our taste buds into overdrive? The answer, it turns out, is a fascinating blend of biology, psychology, culture, and personal experience. Join me as we embark on a delectable journey to explore the science behind our favorite foods, uncovering the intricate interplay of factors that make us crave, savor, and celebrate the flavors we love most. From the biological machinery of taste and smell, to the powerful influence of memory, emotion, and cultural norms, we'll delve into the fascinating reasons why certain foods capture our hearts and stomachs. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and expand your culinary horizons as we unravel the mysteries of why we love our favorite foods. Our love affair with food begins with our senses, specifically taste and smell. Taste buds, those tiny sensory receptors on our tongues, detect 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, savory. Each taste serves a biological purpose, helping us identify nutritious foods and avoid harmful substances. But taste is only half the story. Smell plays an equally important role in our perception of flavor. When we chew our food, aromatic molecules travel up the back of our throats to our nasal cavity, where they interact with olfactory receptors. This process, known as retronasal olfaction, allows us to perceive a much wider range of flavors than taste alone. Our genetic makeup also influences our food preferences. Studies have shown that our genes can affect our sensitivity to different tastes, such as bitterness and sweetness. For example, some people are genetically predisposed to be super tasters, meaning they have a higher density of taste buds and are more sensitive to bitter flavors. While our senses provide the initial spark, it's often our personal experiences that transform mere sustenance into cherished favorites. Food has a remarkable ability to evoke memories and emotions, linking specific dishes to happy times, loved ones, and comforting rituals. Think about your all-time favorite meal. Does it conjure up warm memories of childhood holidays, family gatherings, or special occasions? Perhaps it's a dish that reminds you of a beloved grandparent's cooking or a romantic dinner with your significant other. These positive associations create powerful emotional connections to food, making us crave those dishes long after the actual meal is over. Our emotional state can also influence our food choices. When we're feeling stressed, anxious, or down, we often turn to comfort foods, those familiar, nostalgic dishes that provide a sense of security and well-being. Whether it's a warm bowl of chicken noodle soup, a gooey chocolate chip cookie, or a plate of creamy macaroni and cheese, comfort foods offer a delicious escape from the pressures of daily life. Our culinary preferences are also shaped by the cultures we grow up in. From the spices used in Indian curries to the delicate flavors of Japanese cuisine, each culture boasts a unique culinary tapestry, reflecting its history, geography, and traditions. The foods we're exposed to during childhood play a significant role in shaping our palates and preferences. Children who grow up eating spicy foods are more likely to enjoy those flavors as adults, while those who are introduced to a wider variety of cuisines early on may develop more adventurous palates. Cultural norms also dictate what's considered edible, taboo, or even celebratory. For example, insects are a common source of protein in many parts of the world, but they're often viewed with disgust in Western cultures. Similarly, certain foods like turkey at Thanksgiving or cake at a birthday party are imbued with cultural significance, making them an integral part of special occasions. Our social interactions also play a role in shaping our food choices. We often adopt the eating habits of our friends, family, and significant others, whether it's trying a new restaurant, experimenting with a different cuisine, or simply sharing a meal together. Social media has also become a powerful force in shaping food trends and influencing our culinary choices. From drool-worthy food photos on Instagram to recipe videos on TikTok, social media platforms expose us to a constant stream of new ingredients, cooking techniques, and dining experiences. Ultimately, our love of food is a deeply personal and multifaceted experience, shaped by a complex interplay of biology, psychology, culture, and social influences. So the next time you savor a bite of your favorite dish, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating journey that brought that flavor to your plate.